Today I'm going to unbox and assemble a budget Chinese CNC machine which is sold under dozens of different names, but it's quite easy to find them using the keywords 3018 Pro. I got mine from Amazon, but you may find them cheaper elsewhere. Everything is packed well, no floating parts in the box, and the package is smaller than I expected. Oh, look at this. It's a city. Hey Google, how old is city?
30 years old.
I have a pretty good idea what it's for. Okay, now that we've got that out of the way, let's see what else is in the box. Whoa, that's a whole lot of chips, but at least it's protected on both sides. We have some cleanups to do. Oh, these parts are actually plastic. I couldn't tell from the pictures, but they are quite thick. I think they will do the trick. Some more aluminum chips. The linear bearings are already inserted. It's not a straight, but I don't think that's gonna be a problem. The machine is shipped with 10 end mills. They are all V-cut with the same specification. This is the controller. I would not pay a single extra penny for it if that was an option. It can be used for offline work, so there is a 128 megabyte microSD card, which I really wonder where do they source them from in 2019. No complaints though, as that's plenty of space for my NC files. That's an adapter I don't need, but I guess I'm covered if I want to visit UK and take my CNC machine with me. The controller is quite simple. It's Arduino based GRBL and it has 3 motor drivers and a MOSFET to switch the spindle on and off. Okay, let's put it together and see if it works.